All house is rude. Copper Joe's studio is rude. All house is rude. Sorry, I wasn't ready. My mind was full. I have a special guest that's gonna not drop by because he's not here.
Alright?
The glass in the ice is looking at him.
Alright? Alright, we know we cutting all the spots here. We know we cutting all the spots here.
I like how he knows me, but I like how he
Yeah, this ice is killing me.
I don't know what to do now. You see two men with a woman in the middle. Is the opposite. That didn't sound right when it came out. Please welcome Siobhan Church Clark, Bitsy Bits.
Siobhan Church Isaacs.
What's it?
You say Clark.
Hey, who's Clark, boss? Zoe, thank you very, very much. Guys, Chef Zoe, thank you, Zoe.
Thank you.
So move. My glass is looking foggy. Okay. I'm seeing foggy.
It's the rum.
Juices that rendered from the chicken. Where's my whisk?
Also known as a custard.
Also known as a pastel?
No, custard.
Oh, a custard. Sorry, cut that. I thought I hear pastel. I see what you mean, make a pastel when people think, yeah.